Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade biscuits. Making delicious, flaky biscuits from scratch is simpler than you might think, and the results are incredibly rewarding. We will start by gathering just a few basic ingredients, like 2 cups of all-purpose flour, cold butter, and buttermilk. These simple components will come together to create a truly delightful treat that your family will adore. Now let's get to mixing. First, combine your dry ingredients, including the flour, baking powder, and salt. The key to flaky biscuits is incorporating very cold butter into this mixture. You can use a pastry blender or your fingertips to cut the butter into pea-sized pieces. Then, gently add the cold buttermilk, mixing just until the dough comes together. Overmixing can lead to tough biscuits, so be gentle. With your dough ready, it's time to shape those beautiful biscuits. Lightly flour your work surface and gently pat the dough to about 1/2 inch thick. Use a 2-inch round cutter to create your biscuits, pressing straight down without twisting. Arrange them on a baking sheet, close together, which helps them rise tall. Bake them in a preheated oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 to 15 minutes until golden brown. And there you have it, warm, flaky, homemade biscuits, fresh from your oven. These are truly best enjoyed immediately, perhaps with a generous pat of butter, a dollop of your favorite jam, or a drizzle of sweet honey. They also make a fantastic accompaniment to a savory meal. While they rarely last long, any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container. Enjoy the simple pleasure of these tender, delicious treats.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.